In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Weebly website in a few simple and straightforward steps. Now, before we dive into the process, it's important to remember that deleting a website is permanent and it cannot be undone. So make sure this is exactly what you want to do. To get started, you'll begin by navigating to Weebly's official website. This is where you'll need to sign into your account. Simply open your web browser and type in Weebly's website URL to reach the homepage. Once there, you will notice a login button that you should click on, which will take you to the login page. On the login page, enter the email address associated with your Weebly account. After typing in your email, click on the next button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your account password. It is crucial to ensure the email and password are correct to avoid any login issues, so double check them before hitting the login button. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the overview section of your Weebly account. Here is where you'll manage your websites. Look to the left side of the page and you'll find the My Site section. It displays all the sites associated with your account. From here, you will need to access the drop-down menu by clicking on it. The drop-down will show you a list of websites you've created. Scroll through to find the specific site you wish to delete. Once you've identified the correct website, you'll see 3 dots below the site's name. Click on these dots, which will reveal additional options. Among these options, look for the Delete Site function. Click on Delete Site to initiate the deletion process. Now, Weebly will require your confirmation before completely removing the site. This step is crucial to prevent accidental deletions, so if you're certain about deleting the site, go ahead and confirm the deletion. After confirming, your Weebly website will be permanently deleted. It's a good idea to double check your decision one last time, as this action cannot be reversed and you'll lose all the data associated with that particular site. And there you have it, the website is deleted from your Weebly account. Remember, always make sure this is something you want to do, because once deleted, recovering the website and all its content is not possible. Hopefully you found this guide clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need more assistance,